And these are the small chicks which are let out for the grazing here. So one by one they are coming out of their house, where they were kept the entire night, from their shed. This is how the mother takes care of the chicks. Yeah, but definitely we do go through losses due to the eagles, crows, because they are let out free. But that is the only way of grazing them naturally. We do not have any other choice. And we depend on organic or 100% natural way. So we have to go through this. We have to bear the losses. Yeah, and friends, we also have fenced our entire compound, entire farm in this way. I'll take you to a closer look. In this way, it is chain linked all around, and over it we have put this green thread mesh here. In this way, our entire farm, our farm is almost like 5.5 acres of farm, and we have fenced entire way in entire land in this way, because just to keep our country chickens safe, because when they go outside, they are out of our control. Like, we do not know people outside, like we have lost of lot of country chickens lost in that way. Like when they go out, people wait for them just to go into the neighboring farms, and then our chickens get disappeared. So this is done to keep them inside a farm, and also to make sure they do not go out and they do not eat all those rubbish things. I just don't want to put that in the video. Like, they don't, just to make sure they don't eat all those rubbish things. They are in a farm, safe, secure. They're not 100% safe. They're like around 70 to 80% safe from stray dogs, from peoples. But eagles, mongoose, we cannot help them out. They are safe, and they eat organic food and naturally grown things. Like here, you can see she is searching for some termites. She is searching for some termites, and she is grazing with these grass to her chicks. There you can see. Now they are not going outside the fence, they are inside. And here we have a small pond, so close by to the pond they are grazing. See, they are grazing everything, like everything is natural over there. And again my friends have arrived. Here, this is the way they are grazing. They have become pets.